Hey everybody, today we're going to go from this to this. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Robert. Myself and my wife Lisa, we're full-time RVers, and we want to take you on the ride. We're going to do something interesting today. We are going to install this LED light tape to our little valance behind us here. This is where we do a lot of our filming here inside the RV, and so we just want to jazz it up a little bit. So we went to one of the big box stores and got this, all right? I think it was like 40 bucks. And so we're going to install it. But first, let's get it unboxed and show you what's in there. All right, so we got everything out of the box. The first thing is, obviously, is the tape light. I'm not sure how many of you guys have seen this stuff before, but it's really neat. Actually, one of my favorite thing is you can cut it to size, actually. There's actually 12 feet here. I think we need about 8 feet. And there's little marks. I don't know if you can see it right there. That's where you can cut it. And you can cut it every so often and not hurt the light. So you're actually able to customize this to whatever you want. So we have our 12 foot of light. We've got our adapter. This is our adapter. That plugs into the light strip and then the other end into your power supply. All right. These are the different adapters with it. Of course, the wonderful instructions. And then the remote. So you can program any kind of colors you want. We decided to get this so that we can do, what is it, millions of colors. We'll probably do some sort of blue, but we have this anyway, so we can choose the color we want. So we're gonna get things going. I'm gonna move the camera to a different angle, and we're gonna do some time lapse so you can see it go in, and then we'll show you the end result. All right. Magic of editing. All right, guys, from beginning to end, this project took no more than an hour. If we hadn't screwed up, it probably would have been a half an hour. Now that we've done it, if we do our next window, it'll probably take about 10 minutes. It is very, very, very simple as projects go. It really couldn't be much simpler, but this was the very first time we've done this, and so hopefully you'll learn from our mistakes, which I'm about to tell you, okay? The first thing that we did, everything, as you saw in the time lapse, we put it up, it went smooth. But when we tried to connect it with the power, only this first little strip came on, which is where the power originates from. So I'll take a little shot in the camera a little bit closer in a minute so you can see, but right here, can you see those numbers and letters, I should say? There's a plus sign, right? Now, the kit comes with these connectors. And so what we did was we cut a piece for here, a piece for here, and then a piece for here. And we use these connectors in the corner. But when you're connecting, and it says it clearly in the instructions, the pluses all need to be on the same side. Somehow we thought we had done that, but we did not. So this middle piece we had backwards, and so it wasn't working. So once we figured it out, it took about 15-20 minutes to figure it out. We flopped it all around, it worked, we put it back up, and it's perfect, right? So knowing what we know now and having done this the first time, the next time we do it, it's being simple. We come in, cut the pieces, stick them up, make sure, we're gonna do it on the ground first, make sure that they're all the same way, stick them up, plug them in, and you're ready to go. So simple. So for you RVers, if you want to do this to your valance, behind your TV, underneath cabinet lighting, because what's neat is, and it's kind of hard to see because I got the camera light on and stuff, but this does many colors, and it's got this cool little remote, so I think there's, I have millions of colors because it's the full LED spectrum of RGB. But we got the blue up there, but you can do red, you can do green, you can do just plain white. So for under counter lighting, if you need more light, this would be a great option, but it also gives you some cool ambiance. I just happen to like the blue color, so that's why I left it on blue. But it came with this. I didn't have to buy it extra. And again, we got this kit at one of the big box stores. It was 40 bucks. I'm sure there might be, you know, cheaper at Amazon or something like that. But we wanted to get this done tonight, so we just ran out to the local big box store and got this. So, guys, we hope you like this video. We hope it helps you out if you decide to do some LED tape light. If so, do us a big favor. Hit and smash that thumbs up button, right? It really does help us out. Subscribe to the channel. We are full-time RVers. We do RV reviews for tall people. I'm a very tall guy, over 6'4", and there's not a lot of RVs that, you know, fit me comfortably. And so we found it that there's not a lot of guys out there, you know, doing reviews for the tall guys. So we're gonna do RV reviews for the tall people out there, right? For the big people out there. But we also do tips and tricks like we did today. So we're going to do some more upgrades to our own RV. But the big thing we're doing this year, we're looking for a new RV. And a lot of the reviews that we're doing are actually personally for our own self. All right, we're out there looking for the perfect new RV for us. So come along. Again, smash the like button. Subscribe to the channel. Welcome to the family, and we will see you on the road.